Good morning, students. Today 31st July, that is Friday. Hope you all are well. Welcome back to the online class of English grammar. Dear children, in my previous video, I explained about the punctuations. What are they? They are question marks, comma, exclamation and full stop. These all form punctuations, right? And I gave some assignments and I told to submit before Friday, but still some of the students submitted. Out of 100%, 80% students not submitted till now. I am very disappointed with you. Hope everyone did. Okay. So today we will discuss the rest exercise. Before I will start, let's recapitulate. So we discussed about the punctuation. As I said you, punctuations are the traffic signals of writing, where you have to give pause, where you have give to question mark, where you have to stop, like that. Clear? So these are all symbols we are using in our punctuations. And we discussed about the question mark. So first we will discuss about the full stop. What we discussed, it is placed at the end of a sentence or a statement. Second, question mark, it is placed at the end of the question. Clear? And you can see the symbol. Then we will come to comma. It will separate the items, or it will it will separate. That is a natural pause. And now the last punctuation, that is your exclamation. As we discussed, it is placed at the end of the sentence that displays your emotions like happiness, anger, we can use, and it is placed after the interjection. As I said you, oh, wow, after that we can use the exclamation. Not only this much punctuation, so many are there, colon, semicolon, single quote, double quotes, that's all there. You will learn in your higher class. And we discuss about an acronym that used for capital letter, that is called MINTS. M for months and dash name, month's name and dash name. I, as I said you, I is a pronoun. Keep in mind, in my previous video also I explained, but some of the students asked me, maybe did mistakes. Okay, I said I is used as a pronoun. Where I is used as a pronoun, that place you have to write in capital letter. I am a boy, so I capital. Important, IMP, no, I is not capital. Clear? So that you have to keep in mind in your that email. Invite, I is not capital. What I said, I if used as a pronoun, and that place only you can use as a capital letter, otherwise no capital. Clear? Invite you can write I small, impossible you can write I small, wherever is there, maybe in middle of the sentence you can write, but only I as a pronoun you have to write in capital letter. Clear? And N, name of the people, states that means proper noun. T, title of books and movies, as I said you, Titanic, Black Beauty, and that's when the sentence will start, that time you have to write in capital letter. These are the things we discussed. And one two student asked, they not understood about the punctuation in dialogue. See, when a person saying anything, we are keeping in a quote form, right? Dialogues we are keeping in a quote form. You can see the example, Sima, or you can see the definition first. Punctuation also plays an important role when we write a dialogue form, certain punctuation marks are used when we want to show that two or more people are talking. Okay. So, different punctuation marks we are using when two or more people are talking. So, let us see the example. Sima has a book. Sima has a book collection, said Rohan. Clear? So, see, Sima has a book collection. This one someone said, and what he says, that we will keep in a quote form. Hope you understood. If someone spoke, if someone said something, that we will keep in a quote form, single quote, and after that we will put a comma to separate the quote form by the outward parts. Clear? As I said you, Sima has a book collection. This is a quote form. Someone said, I kept in a quoted word, and that total section I separated by using a comma. Clear? And keep in mind, whatever inside the quote, so the first letter must be capital letter. Whatever. Here S is there, S capital, okay, no doubt. If what is there, W also capital. If A is there, A also capital. Starting, whatever you will write inside the quote, you have to write in capital letter. I hope you understood. Any spoken word or any quoted word, anyone said anything, that you will keep in a quote. Clear? You have single quote, and that quote you will separate by using a comma. This much and more you will learn in your next class. Hope you understood. And I gave two exercise. One is your email, and second one is your exercise. So, this is the email. I hope everyone completed. If till now you not completed, then note down. And these are the exercise. This one is the exercise. Fill in the blanks with the correct punctuation marks from the box. You can see here, as I told in previous class, question mark, full stop and exclamation given. Mango is my favorite fruit. There is a simple sentence. So, you can put full stop, already given this one. When is your birthday? I am asking you. When I am asking you, obviously this is a question, so you can use your question mark. I walk to school every day. This is a habitual action. Every day you are going. Sentence, then you can put a full stop. What a pretty dress. I change excitement, happiness, anger. In that place we can use what? Exclamation. May I leave now? This is a permission you are asking. Okay, maybe the answer will come yes or no. So, that is a question. So, you need to put a question mark. Oh my God, that is an interjection. So, you can use exclamation, right. So, now we will discuss the second exercise. What? Exercise 2. Punctuate and rewrite the given paragraph. Use capital letters wherever needed. You can see here, Ben was a kind and smart boy. He had many pets. Ben had a dog, a few cats, fish, and even a lizard. His latest pet was a guinea pig named Martin. Why do you think Ben loved having so many pets? See here, this is a paragraph, and I said you starting letter must be capital, nothing are there. So, what you have to do? You have to punctuate properly. After giving punctuation marks, you will write the sentence or the paragraph, and you will use the capital letter wherever required. Clear? Here Ben is the name of a boy or girl, Ben only, boy only, because smart boy written Ben. So, Ben is the name of a boy. So, B must be capital. Clear? So, see the answer. See here, B capital written. Ben was a kind and smart boy. Finished here. Okay. So, this is a complete sentence. We put a full stop. He had, as I said you, from here sentence started, so H is your capital. So he had many pets, that also over. Now Ben, again be capital. Ben had a dog. Let us see here, not only one, so many animals written here, had a dog, comma, a few cats, then, comma, fish and even a lizard. Clear? His largest, after that you have to put a full stop. You say here no tricks are there, just you read the sentence, when you will feel yeah this sentence word now, okay, then this sentence started with a new way, that means after that, after finishing that, this is a new part. So you can use according to the sentence the punctuation marks. Clear? Then what the name of that pig, that is written Martin, M written capital. Now the question asks, why do you think Ben loved having so many pets? Why? Question asked. So you need to put a question mark. So W is capital and Ben, as I said, you proper noun, so must be written in capital. Clear? Hope you understood. You can write by yourself. Okay. Now we will move to the exercise 3. Rewrite the following sentences with correct uses of punctuation and capital letters. Clear? So the first one, why are you going now? You see here W is small and at last given full stop. I think this sentence is wrong. Here asked question, so at last must be a question mark and the starting letter capital. So let us see the answer. Why are you going now? You can see the colored letter, that one changed. In your question W written small and here the answer capital and at last full stop given. It is a question, so at last I used a question mark. Clear? Now I will move the second question. I will give you the book tomorrow. I will give you the book tomorrow. See, nothing given, no punctuation marks given. And I say do I, if I use as a proper noun, you will write in capital letter. So the first answer I capital. I will give you the book tomorrow. Here see B written as a capital, but B we will not write a capital, so B will write small, that you can check your book. Here mistake, B wrote small letter, so you can check your book that written in capital. So what the answer will come? As I said, I written in capital and in your answer book B written in small and at last I use a punctuation mark, that is full stop, because it is a simple sentence. Now the third question or the third point, what a beautiful sight. When you will read the statement or when you will read the sentence, automatic feelings will come in your mind, right? So what a beautiful sight you never seen, that is called excitement. If excitement is there, then you will use exclamation, right? So first W you will write capital and instead of full stop you will use exclamation. See, I use W capital and at last I use as a exclamation. I not did color, so you can see. Now 4 number, do you want to buy the yellow, pink or black shirt? Okay, do you want to buy the yellow, pink and black shirt? At last given exclamation. Is it exclamation? No, right? Is a question. So what the answer? Do you want to buy the yellow, comma, pink or black shirt? And at last you will use question mark. Clear? Now, oops, I dropped the cup. I said you interjection but here use as a full stop, wrong. So, answer is your, you can see I used an exclamation, I dropped the cuff. Now, the last one, Rajiv, Asman and Tina went to Delhi during their holidays. This simple sentence. If simple sentence is there, then you have to use full stop, but instead of full stop this question gave is a question mark. So, what you have to do? You have to change, and Rajiv is the proper noun, Osman is a proper noun, Tina is a proper noun, Delhi also proper noun. So, what you have to do? You have to write each and everything in capital letter, and you will separate them by using a comma. Let us see the answer. Rajiv, Osman and Tina, see each and every letter I wrote in capital, went to Delhi, the capital, during their holidays. At last I used as a full stop. Clear? Now I will move the exercise 4. Rewrite the following sentence with the correct uses of punctuation and capital letter. You see here, I told you, if someone says, that you will write in a quote form. I do not have your pen, said Alia. So, here I do not have your pen, someone said. So, if someone said, I told you, you will keep in your quote form. So, see the answer already given here. Before I, single quote is there, and after I, after pen, the single quote is there, and that whole section is separated by a comma. And said Alia, Alia is the name of a girl, so you can use A as a capital, and at last you will use, instead of comma, you will use a full stop. Clear? Now, the second question, where is the library? Someone asking, where is the library? If someone asking, this is a question obviously, but in question in that book given exclamation. So, instead of exclamation you will use question mark, and the library, the capital written, you will change into small. See the answer? I colored the letters, which one changed. Now, this is an amazing movie. Happy? If happy is there, exclamation also there. Use. See, T capital, amazing A small, and at last we use as a exclamation. I have a camp in February, May, July and December. See here, I say to you, if some items there, something more there, and you need to separate them by using a comma. So, first I, as I said you, I is a pronoun and I will write in capital letter. Now, name of the month I said you capital February, comma May, comma July and December. This is a simple sentence, so it will end with a full stop, right. This is disgusting. This is disgusting. So, what is this? Anger. If anger is there, exclamation also there. This is disgusting. See, I written as a capital in each. I told you, except proper noun, each and every part, if you want to write, you can write small letter if not started with not started after full stop. Okay. So, we are very happy, said the students. So, what is the answer? I said you, we are very happy, said someone. If said someone, you have to keep in quotes. So, W is capital because started where? Before W you have to use single quote, already there in your book. W not written in capital, you have to change, and happy, H is written here capital, you have to change into small, and after happy you see single quote is there, and I say to this part I have to separate, and if I want to separate I need a comma. So, instead of full stop I will use a comma, and the student T small, at last you will use full stop. And exercise 5, rewrite the following passage, correct uses of punctuation, like exercise 2 you can write. If you have any doubt, the answer is here, you can write. 6 number also same. Okay. These are the answers. You can write yourself, try to write yourself first. If you have any problem, then you watch this video. That means the answers of exercise 5 and 6. Hope you understood. Next class we will know the writing skill. Okay. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.